Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to chat through Gmail app in Android mobile phone. Let's get started. Open your Gmail app on your phone. Then here I have my Gmail app opened, and after that we can click on this this button on the top left corner of our screen. Then choose the settings menu. Just click on it and choose the account that you want to use it to chat someone, and I'll go with this account. And scroll all the way down, and you have to click on this general option right here, and click on this button to enable the Google Chat. And alright, and now you can chat through Gmail by clicking on this button. And find someone that you want to chat. You can find it by clicking on this option. You have to type the Gmail account. And it's right here. Just click on the account that you want to chat. And you can start the conversation right here. Alright guys, that's how we can chat through Gmail in Android mobile phone. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye!